Government of Manipur has ordered temporary suspension of internet and mobile data services in 5 districts, including Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kagching and Bishnupur for a period of 3 days, starting from 2 p.m. on April 7. The decision was taken in view of the prevailing law and order situation and concerns that anti-social elements may misuse social media platforms to spread hate speech, inflammatory content and rumors that could disturb public peace. According to an order issued by the Home Department, the suspension includes mobile data, broadband, VSAT and VPN services. The government stated that the move aims to prevent mobilization of mobs and curb activities that could lead to violence, arson or damage to public and private property. Issued under the Temporary Suspension of Telecommunication Services Rules 2024, the order will remain in force for 3 days unless exemptions are granted in specific cases. Authorities also warned that any violation of the order will invite legal action.